What's going on, everybody? So I'm back in the video. Hope everyone's having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Microsoft Office for free for students. So it's going to work if you're a student currently, a teacher, a faculty member. Basically what you guys want to do is go to the link down below in the description to this website right here. So it's the Microsoft website. So it says get started with Office 365 for free. And basically it's letting you guys know who it's eligible for, what comes with Office. So you're going to get Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and now Microsoft Teams, plus additional classroom tools. So what you want to do is enter your school email address right here. So not your personal address, it's your school email address. So I'm going to add mine in right here, as you guys would see, and then you would click on get started. So basically what's going to happen next is it's going to ask if you're a student or a teacher. I'm obviously a student currently, so I'm going to click on that one right there, and then it says you have an account with us. So I believe it's going to send you a verification code to your education emails. So it may ask you for that. I haven't done that. I believe I got that when I did it a couple years ago. So just want to note that, let you guys know that it may send you a verification email where you guys would enter it on this webpage right here. So once you guys have done that, you guys would click on sign in right here. So you're going to sign into your school email right here. So we'll click on OK, got it, and then we will sign in. So I've already done it. So as you guys can see from right here, you guys can use the web version of the Microsoft Office, or you guys can actually download it, which is awesome. So you guys can use the apps on your PC or your Mac, whichever operating system you're currently using. So right here we can use Word, Excel. Like I said, this is the web version. So if you want to install the actual applications on your device, so what you would do is click on install Office right here in the top right hand corner, and then you would click on Office 365. It includes, like I said, what I said earlier, Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and so on. So you would click this. It's going to download the Office setup.exe file. It also works for Mac, like I said, as well. And then once you guys have done that, you run through the installation, and then after that you should have all of the programs. So I mainly just use Word and Excel, so it's kind of what I use, and then I've uninstalled the other ones as well, so I'm not going to install it again. So from there, that's basically it. That's how you guys kind of get it for free. So if you currently are not a student, or you're not eligible for this, so if you're trying to sign in currently and it's not letting you, I guess your school doesn't have the Microsoft Office kind of like promotion or whatever, I'm gonna show you guys how to actually get it for free if you're not a student. So what you want to do is go to this website right here, office.com. I'm also going to link it down below in the description, so you guys can just click on that link. Right here we're going to click on it, switch to a different account, and from here you're going to enter in an email, like your personal email. So I'm just going to use my personal email for this video right here. So we'll click on StephenLim10 right there, sign in, and then we would enter in our password. So I'm gonna do that real quick. So once we have signed in, this is the official version of Microsoft Office. So we're able to use Word, Excel, PowerPoint, probably the main three ones that you guys would be using. But if you want to install the application, unfortunately you actually have to pay for the premium membership right here. So if we click on install Office, it says go premium with Microsoft 365 to install your latest premium apps on your PC or Mac. But like I said, you still have the full version or access to the web version of these applications. So this is if you aren't a student and you want to be able to use Microsoft Office, this is the second way to go. So there you guys have it. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, drop a like on the video, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you guys never miss a video. Let me know down below in the comment section which application you use the most. For me, like I said earlier, I use Excel and Microsoft Office. Let me know down below in the comment section. There you guys have it. I'll see you guys in the next one.